Hello guys, today we're going to be playing Minecraft HardCore, so let's try that. Um, let's just name it HardCore YouTube World. Or, I typed it wrong, okay. It is HardCore YouTube World, guys, alright. So, let's play some HardCore. This is probably going to be boring, and strange and exciting, I don't even know. Can the world load, please? It's taking like 500 years. Okay. There we go. Oh. I'm gonna start breaking a tree. Wait, what? Why is this not hardcore? Okay, then. Hold on. Technical difficulties. Hardcore. Let's name it. There we go. Hardcore, no seed. Alright. Please be hardcore this time. Hopefully it will be hardcore, and hopefully... Okay, never mind. It's gonna take like 500 years again to load up the world. Alright. Oh. Okay. Let me get some seeds for food. What? Why am I... Okay, then. Oh, no way! Oh! Oh! Okay, nope, you're getting in a pit. Nope, come back here. There's a pink sheep. Do you know how rare these are? Get in the hole. I don't care what you say, get in the goddamn hole. Timothy Jr. That is your name. I need you for wool. There is a pink sheep in my world. What is... My luck is just... What the heckend? How? Why won't you die? Okay, there we go. How did I find a pink sheep at spawn? What? This is... Okay, I'm gonna go look for stuff, then I'll come back. Hopefully I don't die. Oh, okay. Pink sheep, that is just... How? Like the start of the world, too. A village? This is so... Okay, then. This is so good. I'm probably gonna die on this world and just be like... Alright, so we have acquired village. Right, okay, there we go. Alright, let's go to the village and hopefully not die by an iron golem. Okay, they have tall grass and bread. I will take the bed and the chest. Oh, there's some wheat bale things. Wheat bale, yes. Hay bale, but wheat bale. I now call them wheat bales. How do I get up there? These are called wheat bales, and I shall grab them. Okay, I need to make a crafting table out of wood, but I'm too lazy, so I'm just gonna turn that into wheat. Alright, let's go get some more chests. Brewing stand, I can't pick that up right now. Crafting table, alright. Wait, actually. Click all of the bread. 31 pieces of bread, not bad. Actually, I need to eat one piece. No, Alright. Let's grab the crafting table. There is too much wheat here. A bucket? Why? Okay, then why is there a bucket? I've never seen that. Just a bucket laying in the chest. What is a flower? Okay. A bell! How do I grab this? I'm gonna break the block under it. Bell! Yay. Hello there. You've no job. No job. No. Why does no one have a job? Oh, no. Dirt, please. Okay, there. What the hell? Okay, then. It's just Beyblade cats. The new Minecraft mob. Beyblade cat. Noom. I will collect all the wheat. Wheat bales. I will collect the wheat bales. And... alright. Now I need to make food. Hello, sir. Get a job, please. Hello? Oh, okay then. Clickety click click clickety click click. Clickety click. I've got over a stack of bread now. Before I leave this village, I want to punch the villager. And then the iron golem will come after me. And then I'm just gonna run. I don't want to risk it, to be honest. I'm just gonna freaking die. Is that melon seeds? Yeah, I can start a melon farm. No, I didn't mean to punch him! No, okay, I actually didn't mean to punch him. No, I'm an idiot! Oh my god, okay then. I didn't mean to punch him. I swear, if the iron golem just comes out of nowhere. I meant to right click. Why did I left click? I don't know, because I'm stupid, apparently. Mine up that wheat. Alright, let me just get rid of that. Iron Golem! Hello, sir. Are you mad at me? Hello? Hi. I'm gonna go now. I'm not gonna risk it. Pink sheep, I shall come home! Alright, let's get over back to our spawn, where Pink Sheep was. Pink Sheep will give us good luck forever. Pink Sheep power. Yes, he has given me good luck, because I need, the thing, the wool from the Shepepe. Die, Shepepe. Die! Die! What is that? What the hell is that? Is that an underwater ruin on land? What? Okay, then this world is like... What the hell? There's one here and one there. Okay, this world is like best. I got an axe as a weapon. That's not bad. Where is this treasure at? It's quite far away. I'm gonna go check out what's in here. I cannot swim. Okay, there we go. What is this? A pirate ship? Okay, this is how? I think I found one of those like underwater city things. Ah! No! Ah! No, it's a baby! No! Eh, eh, eh. Why is there so many? What the hell? Okay, no. There's a okay, someone's throwing a trident at me. Goodbye. What the hell? Hello, turtle. There's so much XP, though. Ah! What the flip? Oh, no! He almost hit me with the trident! He killed his own friend! If this is how I die, I'm gonna be very mad. No! Ah! Weird noises have come out of my mouth. Okay, I'm leaving now. Goodbye. No, let me get up the hill. I'll come back, like, next episode or something. I don't want to die. Oh my god, I don't want to die. Please, no. No. Pink sheep, where are you? There you are. Alright, I think I'm going to end the video here, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and I'll see you guys later.